Welcome to your IsiXhosa Lessons with Kolping Mbumba.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Namkelekile bethuna to your IsiXhosa Lessons. Iqhalo la namhlanje elaqhalo lithi Unqabe Okwezinyo Lenkukhu. Unqabe Okwezinyo Lenkukhu. Now, this is an IsiXhosa description of scarcity strictly reserved for amachipa agoduka ngoDecember qha. Unqabe Okwezinyo Lenkukhu is how Xhosa people let you know the ridiculousness in your level of scarcity. Amachipa, the Xhosa people you sometimes see on Khumbule Ekhaya, kuthiwe umuntu waphume uyothenga icuba 35 years later kakabuyi. Which is why when they eventually come back, kuthiwa banqabe okwezinyo lenkukhu. Now a chicken's teeth is very sacred in IsiXhosa, only seen by a select few Xhosa elders. They are called abantu abafa bethwele umnqwazi. Now, if your mother has ever given you that response, chances are wafa ethwele umnqwazi and is most probably ichipa of note apho. I will tell you more about the Xhosa phenomenon of men dying with their mnqwazis on in a bit. Other terms used to express a Xhosa kind of scarcity may be unqabe okonodoli oyinkwengo. Unqabe ingathi uyindoda enemali nenyani. Unqabe okwezinyo lenkukhu. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Peace out.